Hi, I'm Mark Disher.
And this is Luis Adame.
We're both here from Cleer Vision. We're here to show you that if you happen to have a piece of glass that shatters on your window, if it's the sliding piece of glass, you can replace it, and it's really easy to do, and you can do it without tools. Luis today is going to show you how to do that.
Now the first step here is primarily to open up the window and the screen. Now from here, all we're going to do is just pop this track out. Probably going to have to pop this little seal right here to try, make sure not to get it all the way over here. Just a little bit right here. We're going to pop out this track. Boom, boom. Slide it on out. There you go. Now, once you got this track out, all you're gonna do, first, take out the screen, put it right here to the side. So after you got out the track and the screen, the only thing you're gonna do, just kind of pull it out, wiggle it out right here. There you go. And there you go. Just like that.
So now that Luis has the vent glass out, in the case of that yours may have busted, you want to make sure you're looking into the track and making sure everything debris-wise is out. Otherwise, you're going to have an issue with the vent glass sliding back and forth. This is going to catch some debris. So make sure it's clear and before you put your new piece in.
You're going to grab your replacement glass that Cleer Vision sent you. You're going to put it right here. Now, you're going to put it right here. Make sure that the bottom part is sitting right here, the one that doesn't have the track. From here, you're just going to pop it in right there. Right? Now make sure it's all the way over here to the side once you put in the track. Now this track, when you install it, make sure that the weep holes are on the outside, on the exterior. So this is actually where the glass is gonna go in. Now, I'm just gonna slide it on in. Now here's a tip for easier installation. Once you're putting in this track, I would recommend you guys to actually put the screen in with it, just so it's easier to put the screen in while you're putting in this glass, just so that you guys don't have a hard time with it. Like that. So, got that in. All you're gonna do is just slide it on in. Now, before that, I'm actually gonna get the screen real quick and install that. If not, I'm gonna have a hard time doing that. Screen, I'm actually gonna install it on this side, right here. Make sure that's in, right there. Look good, look good. Make sure that's installed in there. And all I'm gonna do is just push it right on in. Boom, 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 boom. Now there's actually a stopper over here to show you where the track is gonna hit. Once it hits that track, you should be good to go. Now, don't forget to put in this seal back in. If not, there is going to be leakage. Yeah. There you go. You just replace your vent glass.
All right, Luis just showed you how to do a vent glass replacement. Luis, any last minute tips for the customer?
Yeah, absolutely. So when you're installing the track, make sure that those weep holes are on the outside. You want those facing towards the outside. Another thing, when you're putting in the vent glass, make sure that you install the screen in too. It's just gonna make it easier for you guys so you guys don't have a hard time with it. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this video was informative to you. Again, I'm Mark Disher here at Cleer Vision. We just wanted to take a quick second and shout out Alliance RV. We're here at their headquarters here in Elkhart, Indiana. They were gracious enough and good enough partner to us to let us come out and shoot on site on one of their units. Hopefully it's been informative, guys. Talk to you soon.